Okay. Binibining Batangas, this is the question. If you're going to remove one of your senses, what will it be and why?
I would like to remove my common sense.
Why? Why you will remove your common sense?
Already over.
Thank you, Binibining Batangas. Okay, let's go. Binibining Copies. This is a question, listen carefully. Okay. What's your favorite tourist destination in the Philippines?
Personally, Bukawi.
Bukawi. Bukawi, Bulacan. Why Bukawi?
Because of the Bukawi rice field.
Di ba Manawi yun? Alam ko na. Kaya from Bukawi, di ba from Cabe siya, malananggal siya. Kaya yung isa katawan niya pumunta ng Banawe, yung isa pumunta ng Bukawi. Okay, Binibining Baguio. Tumingin pa sa host ha, parang lalaban ha. Okay, alam ko ano pa, tumakumlabi ka rin yung Baguio. Tingnan natin ang galing mo sa question and answer portion. Kailangan pa ulit-ulit. Ulit-ulit? Sinabi na sa'yo. Ay, sumasagot talaga. Ano height mo? 5'1". 5 plus 1? No, 5'1". 5'1". Okay, this is your question. What is the most important part of your body? Thank you for the question. Oh, I give it to everyone. What is the most important part of your body? What do you think, guys? Your leg. Your leg. My leg. It's my neck. The most important part of my body is my neck. Why your neck? Because my neck holds my head, and my head will it will hold the ground tonight. Oh, so kahit kumakumlabi ka, wala kang pala sa'yo. So bumalik ka rin naman sa ato kumaldita. Yung Baguio na to. Next. I would like to call Binibining Maguindanao. Okay? Binibining Maguindanao. Binibining?
Yes, hindi pa rin nalatat yan.
Correct. This is your question, Maguindanao. Okay? If you will be born again as an animal, what would you like to be?
Okay, but first of all, I would like to take commander.
You're really well. Where is he?
There.
Oh, he's so small. Very tiny person.
Yeah, and also I would like to thank all the sponsors they have.
Okay.
The Lion Group Company.
The Lion Group Pilot.
Eagle from Netflix.
Okay, so the question again? The question is, what is the most, if you will be born again as an animal, what would you like to be?
I would like to be an amphibian.
Amphibian, yung crab?
Yes.
You know amphibian?
Amphibian.
Amphibian, okay. Hindi mammal, hindi reptile?
Animal.
Animal, okay. Animal kingdom, amphibian.
Yeah.
Why?
Because an amphibian is very versatile.
Wow.
They can live both in water and land. Thank you.
Alright. How about, excuse me, can you give an example of an amphibian?
Super ng lion. Frog.
Right.
Yes, thank you.
Can you give another example?
Upper exposure. Ross, thank you.
You give rocket.
Another example? Wait, Another frog? Thank you!
Okay. I would like to call ang mukhang lalaki sa kanilang lahat. Binibining Binondo, Manila. Good evening. Nakakaw ka na to. Okay. Uminom sa likod. Okay, this is a question. Binibining Binondo, Manila. Bakit sa tingin mo, ang grupo natin ang kailangang manalo?
Naniniwala ako na ang komedya ay isa sa mga hilig ng mga Pilipino.
Tulad ngayon, wala ako dahil ako'y nahihilo, pero sa katuwaan, sa pagbibigay saya ng mga ating kagrupo, nakalimutan ko ang gusto, pati ka ba? At naniniwala din ako na sa aming presentasyon ngayon ay may temang angkop sa masayahing Pilipino na tinagurian nga ang Pilipinas bilang isang bansa na puno ng mga masasayang tao. Parang lasing!
Napilitan nga!
Sabi mo din tanong kami po na si ano. Excuse me, pwede ba? Sabi mo gusto mo sumali sige, sige, okay. Tatanungin kita ha? Okay. Bigyan natin ng ano, nasa Pacquiao. Okay, itong tanong. Gusto mo basahin? Question. Kung mamamatay ka bukas, bakit di pa ngayon? Bakit hindi mo kaya subukan mo? Okay, that concludes our question and answer portion. And now, we would like to call the reigning Binibining na Pilitan 2010, Miss Liite from Leyte! Question and answer. Oh? Starting in front of you is 4-1. Okay. And now, the announcement of winners. The second runner-up, Binibining second runner-up, Napilitan second runner-up goes to Binibining
Inanda Manila.
Maguindanao! Okay. The Binibining first runner-up goes to... Ay, bigay po si Baguio. Na-practice natin kanina, ikaw first runner, pero dahil sa'yo, ang first runner-up, Batangas! Okay. And now, the Binibining Napilitan 2011 is...
Minanda.
Binibining Manila!